What does SOS mean on iPhone and how can you fix it? If your iPhone shows SOS or SOS only in the status bar, it means that your phone cannot connect it to your mobile carrier, but it can still make emergency calls. This appears when no normal calls, SMS, or mobile data are available. The emergency call, also known as the SOS call, can still work, and it happens when your courier signal is unavailable. The common reasons for SOS could be poor or no internet coverage, or no SIM or eSIM problem, or your carrier service outage, or it could also be network settings issue or your iOS bug after an update. So, a few fixes on how you can fix SOS on iPhone are: simply swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to the control center. Tap on the airplane mode option you see there and then enable airplane mode and wait for 10 seconds and then disable it again. You can then try to go ahead and restart your iPhone and see if that helps in fixing your issue. If not, then you can try to remove the SIM card from your device and reinsert it again and restart your iPhone. Also, make sure that the network area that you are staying in has a good network coverage, and if not, then you can try to move to an open area, or you can ask someone nearby on the same carrier and see if your phone is an issue or if the carrier issue is available there. And if your issue is still not fixed, then in settings again, tap on cellular and then on network selection. Here, go ahead and disable the toggle button for automatic and then select your carrier manually. You can also try to update the carrier settings if available. So in settings again, tap on general and then on about. Further, wait for 10 seconds and then tap on update when prompted and update your carrier settings. Next, in general again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset and then on reset network settings. Reset your network settings and this will reset all your network settings and bring them back to factory defaults, and this is the most effective way to fix your issue if your phone is an issue. And also make sure that you are using a latest version of iOS. So in general again, tap on software update and install the latest version available. Also, make sure that you are not connected to any type of VPN services, as VPNs can block cellular networks. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone SOS service, and this was about SOS on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.